Hello everyone, this is Bilal. In this video, I will be showcasing you guys how to scrap product and website using Octoparse. So this website is very useful to scrap startup details. So because on this website on a daily basis, you can see new startup launches and the website shows for us these kind of details. Now to leverage, to scrap this website, I will be showcasing you uh, how to scrap using Octopath step by step. So before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know that I've been doing web scraping for the past 4 or 5 years, and I've done over 500 plus projects worldwide. So if you want to hire me full time or any remote job opportunity, you can contact me on my email that is shown on your screen. So let's get started now. So you can see on this website there are multiple leads that we want to scrap. So first of all, what we want to do is first we want to copy the URL. So I'm basically pinpointing and targeting this launches tab, but you can also like target best products or any other category you want. So I will copy that URL. I will open up my Octopath screen. So on your Octopath screen, this the dashboard will look like that. So what you will need to do is click on the new and then click on custom task. Once that is done, we will paste in our URL here and then click on save. Now this will lead us to this page where it will show in the Octopath tab. So now that's done, what we need to do next is click on auto detect web page data. So what this will do is basically it will automatically detect all the things, all the listings and everything, and compile us a workflow that we can work. So now you can see we have got the columns and also we got this. So this website, if I show you on Google Chrome, uses the auto infinite type of scrolling method. So if I refresh this again to show you, you can see it is scrolling automatically to show new records. So for that, I will just keep add page scrolls as tick, and also I will untick the paginate because there's no pagination, just a infinite scrolling method. Now I'll click on create workflow. Once that is done, I will wait until the title shows, column shows for everything. Now I will choose the columns that I need and I'll delete the ones that I don't need. So I don't need this. Okay, yeah. So I've like I've done the column deletion and everything. Now I'm left with 3 columns. Now I want to go to basically the detail page to scrap more details. So what I need to do next is click on select subpage URL here, and then you can see it has chosen already flex URL. That's good. I want to go to each like subpage. So I'll click on confirm. So you can see on your right side a new button has been created, and it has led me to this page subpage. Now next thing that I'll do is I will click on visit website, and then I'll grab the link because I need the website URL, right? So I'll name this column as website URL. Next thing that I might need is when was it launched. So I'll just click launch details, then also the social link if it is there. Now the next thing I'll do is click on options, click on wait before action to at least 2 seconds. Now that's good, and then click on save. Now I'll click on loop item and then go to scroll page. So you can see on that scroll page settings you are seeing how many times does it want to like repeat. So I can say, for example, 5 times is good for me, but that depends on the number of products you are working with. So you have to choose that accordingly. So for my instance, I'm choosing 5 as repeats and then clicking on save. Then once that is done, now I'll just simply click on run and then simply click on standard mode. Now I will just fast forward this. So I will show you guys the end results. Okay, so I have stopped the bot at actually 7 listings, but I can run it as far as to scrap all of the leads. So this was just to show you that how to scrap this website. So if you like this video, please do consider following me here on LinkedIn and also on YouTube. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.